Bright, bright, sunshiny day.
I really have a strong feeling this will look like shit. But it's too late to back out. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel with me, Twinkle Chaves, and today I'm just going to try on this new product I bought from an Asian store. Hello Bubble Foam Color. The color is Dusty Ash. My hair has been so brassy and yellow and I just want to get rid of those, and it costs only like $15. Hopefully it will be the solution for this damaged hair. So when you open this, you will see it has like different colors, different shades. Mine is the Dusty Ash. What's interesting on this one, it's a bubble foam and it's like it works as a shampoo. There's nothing else inside the box. Bubble foam color, it's in Korean. And there's also this one. Okay, so there's numbers. So this is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3. There's this pump, 3-minute salon pack. Okay, directions. Hopefully there's an English version. Is this a map? Because I'm lost. It's not really in English, but it's understandable. Like you just mix it all together. Number 1, number 2, the pump, and number 3. There's gloves and cape and the hair pack as well. This is obviously the cape. These are the gloves. Fancy. Not bad. So place the container on a flat surface and dispense 3 to 4 pumps on the palm of your hand. Apply and work the foam on dry hair and crown of your head to the tips. How difficult can it be? It's just applying, mixing, and then apply. I have to change my shirt to black. Moving forward, let's put on this cape. What the fuck? What? Ah, okay. Bon appetit. Alright, and the gloves. So we're ready. Oh, alright. So it has like liquidy, soapy thing inside. And then we open number 1. And we just pour everything. Okay, the next one, the number 3. Put it there. Then what else? So 1, 2, and 3. Gently shake the bottle about 20 times in circular motions until the content is mixed well. Yeah, put it all together. I guess we're done with this one. We're sealing. So if this does not work out, I'm just gonna dye it black. Let's just brush our hair, make sure it won't tangle. By the way, there's no shower cap. They did not provide a shower cap. Alright. There's nothing. Ooh. You see that? Okay. In other countries, they don't really wash their hair often. Unlike us Filipinos, we always do like once, twice a day. I cannot not wash my hair at least a day. I don't want to smell like bed. I think it also depends on your scalp, whether or not it's sweaty. Since I need better mirror, guys, I'm gonna continue this in the toilet. So guys, be resourceful. If you don't have a shower cup, you can just do like this. 20 minutes. What's the time? 5:30. So I'll be back around 6 and I'll wash my hair. So I'm excited.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so this is the finished look and I already styled my hair. I don't know if you can notice because of the yellow light, but yeah, my hair just got darker. It's very uneven. What can I expect? Of course, it's $15 and it's like a shampoo. I expected a little bit too much because it's Korean. I think that achieving gray hair is really just difficult. It usually takes very long to do something like that. If you want to experiment with your hair, why not? It's very affordable. I mean, not bad. I'm happy. I just wanted to try and see if it actually works. You know, it's not the same as the photos. And this is just one of the many videos that you can watch online on YouTube as a review. It varies for different hair types. This is how it looked like on myself. At least I did not spend $200 to dye my hair, because here in Australia it's really expensive. I don't want to spend my money. That's why if you want to support me, please follow me on BIGO Live and watch my live streams. Also follow me on TikTok and Instagram. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Comment down below if you want me to try anything else. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.